सो आई वाज शेयरिंग विद यू दैट ए गारंटीड मिनिमम शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स, तो जो डेफिशिएंसी होगी कौन बियर करेगा, जो शॉर्टफॉल है। एक ऑप्शन ये होता है दैट वी हैव टू गो फॉर द पार्टनरशिप एग्रीमेंट। अंडर पार्टनरशिप एग्रीमेंट इट मे बी मेंशन that the deficiency or shortfall will be borne by particular partner A or B, or it may be borne by A, B, C, or may be borne by all the partners, may be mentioned in a particular ratio, so that you have been to see that it is mentioned whatever is there. If nothing is mentioned that who is going to bear that shortfall, then the deficiency or the short share will be borne by all the existing partners of the firm in their profit sharing ratio. अगर तो पार्टनरशिप डीड में मेंशन है कि पार्टनरशिप डीड में किसने कितना शॉर्टफॉल बियर करना है, वी आर गोइंग टू बियर दैट, तो वो पार्टनर बियर कर लेगा। इफ नथिंग इज गिवन देन ऑटोमेटिकली ऑल द पार्टनर्स ऑफ द फर्म विल बियर द डेफिशिएंसी। जो उसकी डेफिशिएंसी है उसको ऑल द पार्टनर्स अपनी प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में कवर करके उसको पूरा करके देंगे। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज। द पार्टनर्स ऑफ ए फर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर ₹1,50,000 in the ratio 2:1 without providing for the following adjustments. A and B were entitled to a salary of 1,500 per quarter, तो इनको दोनों को सैलरी मिलनी है A और B को, that amounts to 6,000 per annum each, 1,500 पर क्वार्टर। तो 4 क्वार्टर हुए, 4 क्वार्टर्स की 6,000 बनी, दोनों पार्टनर्स को 6,000। सी वाज इंटाइटल्ड टू ए कमीशन ऑफ 18,000, सी को कमीशन मिलना है 18,000 को। सी वुड नॉट गेट एनी सैलरी एज पर द एग्रीमेंट। ए एंड सी हैड गारंटीड ए मिनिमम प्रॉफिट ऑफ 50,000 पर एनम टू बी। इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन that A and C both had guaranteed to a minimum share of profit of ₹50,000 to whom? To B. Profits were to be shared in the ratio of 3:2. Pass necessary journal entry for the above adjustment in the books of the firm. First of all, we will understand the adjustment, then we will go for the entry. अब सबसे पहले फर्म का जो प्रॉफिट था that was being distributed without making the adjustment of all these items. Let's make the adjustment of all these items. First salary to A and B, 6,000, 1,500 per quarter, per year 6,000. No salary is given to C, so it is to be credited to them, total 12,000. C was entitled to a commission of 18,000. C को commission मिलना है, C is not entitled to get any salary. So again it is to be credited to C. Profit guaranteed to B. B को कितना profit guaranteed है? 50,000 per annum. Profits were to be shared in the ratio 3:2. किस रेशियो में ऑलरेडी उन्होंने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लिया 1,50,000 in the ratio of 2:1 without providing for the following adjustments. ये जो एडजस्टमेंट्स है ये नहीं की थी, प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लिया 2:1 एंड हाउ मच 150। करना कितना था? द रिमेनिंग वन, बिकॉज दीज एडजस्टमेंट हैड नॉट बीन डन। सो ऑटोमेटिकली वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रिवाइज्ड प्रॉफिट एंड टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:2। कैसे उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे? टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट इज 1,50,000। आउट ऑफ 1,50,000 what we have to do? We have to first of all deduct the amount of salary of 12,000, commission of 18,000, that amounts to 30,000. Remaining amount of profit left out 1,20,000. यहाँ ध्यान से समझें, remaining amount of profit left out 1,20,000. B is guaranteed how much here? 50,000. See here, remaining profit after guaranteed 50,000 to B is amounts to 70,000. Once again 12,000 सैलरी का डिडक्ट हो गया, 18 कमीशन का डिडक्ट हो गया, 50 जो गारंटेड बी का वो डिडक्ट हो गया, रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट 70,000 टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग ए एंड सी इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:2। ध्यान से फिर समझे, बिकॉज बी हैड गॉट द गारंटेड मिनिमम शेयर, उसको मिल गया उसका शेयर 50,000, रिमेनिंग 70,000 विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, रिमेनिंग रेशो बी की रेशो अगर हम माइनस कर दें, इट लेफ्ट आउट 3:2, तो 70,000 का 3/5 कैलकुलेट करेंगे 42,000 ए को मिलेगा, 70,000 का 2/5 कैलकुलेट करेंगे 28,000 सी को मिलेगा, 70,000, सो दिस वे 1,50,000 इज कंप्लीटेड। तो टोटल जो क्रेडिट हुआ वो क्या हुआ, ए का बना 48,000 टोटल क्रेडिट, B would add 56,000, C would add 46,000. Now automatically 1,50,000 is again credited total amount. This amount of 1,50,000 as it is mentioned is taken by all the partners in which ratio? In the ratio 2:1. So that will be taken back from them. ये यहाँ पे डेबिट हो जाएगा. This is total credit. 48,000 to A, 56,000 to B, and 46,000 to C, total 1,50,000. This is total credit. But this total credit of 1,50,000 will be debited. In which ratio? In the ratio of 2:1, because this profit as mentioned in the statement being divided by the partner without providing for the following adjustment. तो ये 1,50,000 हम 2:1 की रेशो में डेबिट करेंगे. So A का शेयर 60,000, B also at 60,000, C will have 30,000. Then we will check the net effect. Net effect here means that A is having a total credit of 48,000 but debit of 60,000, so 12,000 debit. B would have had a total credit of 56,000 but debit of 60,000, so 4,000 debit is more. For C, the total credit is 46,000, debit is 30,000. So net credit comes to 16,000, and this way we see that A and B will be debited with 12,000 and 4,000 respectively, and C will get a credit of 16,000. So we will make an adjustment entry this way. A's current account will be debited with 12,000, B's current account will be debited with 4,000, and C's current account will be credited with rupees 16,000. This way we would make an adjustment and also make an inclusion of the minimum guaranteed share of profit. So this way we have learned how to make the adjustment in the closed accounts, as well as also how to share or how to give a guaranteed minimum share of profit to particular partner and how it is to be bear. I request to all of you, kindly practice only those questions which I will share with you, and I will tell you in my live class that which questions you have to practice. But first practice the illustration, then only go for the numericals. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I would continue in our next day class with the next new lesson, that is change in the profit sharing ratio amongst the partner. We will continue with the next lesson in the next class. Thank you very much once again. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself and your dear ones.